Hey beauties, and welcome back to Dominique's Vanity Corner. So today I want to show you my updated routine technique for the penny wig. This is by Outre, and you can see it kind of looks like it's growing out of my scalp. So I'm starting with clean, fresh hair. All I have is some leave-in conditioner. I washed my hair the day before, just braided it up, and all I'm going to do is use some serum to kind of combat the frizz and take out the braids. So here is Penny, and this is color number 2. This is my color. You can see the back of it has this little plastic comb, and the front has a long comb. So before I use the color 1B, and that wasn't right, so we're gonna get it right this time. So as you can see, I kind of put the wig on to the side. This is the best placement. It's going to lay perfectly. I've done it a million times, okay? So trust me when I say put it to the side. That way, when you try to do a little part, you don't mess up the curls. It would just lay perfectly. Every time, this is a placement for me with the side part, every single time. And please make sure that the wig feels comfortable before you start styling. That's the most important part of placing the wig. Here I'm using my temporary hair color just to make sure that my edges looks pretty thick, because as you can see, this wig is super duper thick. So that's all I'm doing here. And then I'm going to use some edge control. I really wish I had some more edge control. I was like on my last little bit of it, but I'm just going to slick it down and then apply a band on it. This band is going to stay on about 10-15 minutes. I usually just put it on until I'm ready to go to my destination, so I leave it on as long as I need to, but for the video I think it was about 15, maybe even 30 minutes. I want this hairstyle to look as natural as possible, so I am going to just lightly spruce up my edges. I do have a lot of sideburns, and then here we are going to remove the bands and try to be gentle with this part so the curls, you don't get too much frizz. But here I'm not going to do much other than trying to gently take down the hair with the clips and use my hands to style it. This is why I said the placement is important. After having maybe 6 or 7 of these wigs within a year, I've learned that yeah, it does have an invisible part, but everyone's head isn't shaped the same, so placing it exactly where you like your part to lay is important. So maybe you can try that while the hair net is still on the wig so you don't mess up the curls. The edge control and the band is my secret weapon because it really molds my edges, and once I tuck my natural hair with the wig, it's perfect. Like, this is my perfect protective style that gives a weave look without me having to you know, put heat on my hair. And then at the same time, like, I love this look, but I don't like it when it's a weave because it's a lot. Even with natural, like, virgin hair, it's a lot to still comb it, have all that conditioner, let it dry. I want something I can take off, and of course at some point I will get the human hair version of this so I don't have to keep wasting money. But for now, look, this is easy. Like, what, this is $25, maybe $30 at most, so I love it. Yeah, this is the updated version. If you've seen the other video, stick to this one. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.